Poverata Falls, and she's big. The valley is down there. There's another big waterfall over there, as you can see, and a viewing trail. Look out at the top there.